Someone's got hiccups in it. Don't mind the paint, but poor Blue, he had the hiccups. Boo Boo, you got hiccups? Say I got hiccups, but I can still chew you, Mommy. Look at that cute face. Look at that cute face. Look at that pretty blue eye. Hi, pretty boy. Hi. Who's your handsome boy, huh? Mommy's always the chew toy. He's so handsome. He's 8 weeks old this week. Two more weeks and I'm going to try to train him to sit and shake paws if I can. Everything's his chew toy, including me. Blue's going to enter a Halloween contest today over at Blue Boutique here in Galveston. See y'all ladies later. Bye.